In a sunlit gym, a young trainer named Mara introduces a 5-minute daily routine designed for busy lives. She combines brisk climbs, bodyweight squats, push-ups, and fast-paced planks to spark the heart and strengthen the core. Over 4 weeks, participants report steadier energy at work, better posture, and measurable strength gains despite limited time. The method rests on consistent cadence, progressive overload, and deliberate recovery to prevent burnout. The town embraces micro-workouts, proving that small, regular sessions can spark real transformations.